Gold consolidated its position yesterday, failing to trade on the downside below 1954 levels and on the upside beyond 1962 and 65 zone. It has got maximum resistance and it is yet trading in the same zone. At the same time, what a wonderful, marvelous rally silver has shown again. It has now gone close to $25 levels. I hope you all profited from the analysis yesterday. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session, precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look, gold has consolidated here for long now. See, moving averages, the prices were deviating from the moving average. That is what we had seen. And see, one thing is for the price had to converge and the moving average has to come down. It did not happen. The moving averages climbed up and the prices converged till here. Now, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average here. With that as support, possibly it can again show a breakout. Whichever direction it takes, it is going to be a good breakout. Now, if you look at support here at 1955-54 is very strong, and hence only sell entry I will recommend is below 54, where you can expect 1950-1945 levels, in fact 1940 levels, but that should be a complete reversal. If it breaks below 1940, you can say that gold has reversed, and possibly below that further more bearish momentum can be seen, but I am apprehensive of a drop till there. Even if it tries to retrace, possibly at best it may try to confine its movement between 1955-54 levels at best. But these are markets beyond you and me, and always tries to fail the expectation. Remember the words. So please don't rely on the expectations as much. However, still I am very confident that 1954-56 levels are going to be the great support for the day. Stochastic is dropping, MACD is bearish, and it is still trading with the bearish bias. RSI looking downwards on the hourly charts and on the 2. Now look at the closing of this candle on the 2-hour charts. Do you see it inclining upwards? And at the same time, see, there are a couple of breakouts here. However, the closing of the candle is within this. So look at the movement of the candle. Now you can see very good support here, and then ultimately the support is there at 55-54. Very good support there. On the upside, 1965 levels is giving it a tough resistance. Now for gold, this zone is critical, that is 1970-1973 zone and 1965 zone. This is a very critical zone for gold. It has to surpass beyond these levels in order to stay bullish. Now see, price moving average is consistently moving upwards. The price is also consistently keeping itself upwards. This is a bullish sign here. Stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD on the 2-hour charts has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI very near to the top there, and likewise on the 3-hour charts, similar observation here. It can try to at best come till towards these levels. Moving averages may continue to climb up. Now see what has happened here. You can see this similar consolidation breakout, similar consolidation, single strong breakout, similar consolidation. It can further give a breakout. Remember this fact. Stochastic near to top. MACD, this is a little worry point, that it has crossed over and trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign because see, it is coming after a long run, but this does not mean that it cannot continue up further. It can. However, this is coming up at slightly higher levels. So for next few hours, we have to remain careful here. What it can try to do is trade with a slight bearish bias, come back till towards 1954-55 levels, and then from there bounce back again. RSI is also overbought here on the 3-hour charts and on the 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour charts, more of consolidation here. Then this greener candle has appeared, double top levels, almost 1965, very good resistance. See, 1965-67 zone, and then till 73. Here you can find out this zone completely is a greater resistance zone for gold. Here we have to be careful in this. That is 1970-73. Also the next resistance zone will definitely prove out to be a greater resistance for gold. Also, if you look at on the downside, it is getting the support here from the bottom of this. You can see multiple candles getting pushed here, and hence it is still trying to trade bullish. Stochastic looking upwards again. MACD willing to converge crossover. It is not yet, but yes, it is trading at a slightly higher levels. RSI is overbought here, and on the daily. Now see, though I am still bullish in gold, however, see it is trading slightly overbought on the 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour time frames, and that is why see first higher lows, higher highs. Possibly it can achieve 73 levels, possibly it can achieve 73 levels, and on the downside 54, 55. It may try to keep its movement confined within this zone, which is still a bullish zone. So this is one expectation, and hence I will expect gold to trade between 1954, 1975, you can count 1973, 75 levels you can count. For this $20, gold may give you a swing, and hence you have to trade with caution there. And any movement beyond 1965 and 73, 75 zone, certainly we can say that it is going to hit 80, 85 levels. Very good resistance there after 75. Stochastic on the daily charts is extremely overbought. MACD is still divergent and bullish. RSI is trading at the top and trading flat. Considering this, you can buy at 65 and sell at 54. In between this $11, do not take a position. On the downside, definitely 54, 55 will be a greater support, and it can possibly bounce back from those levels also. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, I expect 70, 75 levels might get achieved, but this is a greater resistance for gold today, and hence you have to trade with caution. Till then, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Register yourself, love itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look silver's price movement here. See, first of all, consolidation here, then this breakout, consolidation here, then this breakout. Now it is getting the resistance here at 24.90. You can see multiple candles getting pushed back from 24.90 levels, which is a greater resistance. Now when you see price pushing back on the downside, it means it can try to achieve slightly lower levels. How low it can go? Possibly 2460, 2450 levels, which was the greater resistance levels earlier, are going to be a great support. The 20 period moving average and pivot levels are at 2460, which is going to be a great support for the day if it continues its journey on the downside. Stochastic is near to top. MACD crossing over, trading with divergence and bearishness. It can bring little bears here. RSI is also overbought on the hourly charts, which can pull the prices little down. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see, first thing is the moving average is to climb up. Second thing is the price to decline, which means 2460, 2450, greater support, and only if you see silver breaking below 2410, 2420 zone, you can say that silver is bearish. Till the time it is still going to remain bullish. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. It has seen a good enough rally as of now. RSI is overbought here, looking forward to a down move here. And on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, getting the resistance from 2490, trying to look on the downside. Possibly it can try to stretch the drop till 2450, 40 levels at best, even if it continues with the bearish momentum today. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI extremely overbought. See, it is consistently trading overbought. Remember one phenomena we had discussed yesterday: when anything goes overbought, more buyers pitch in and then keep the prices elevated, and hence do not trade this as bearish. Even if a down move comes, possibly it may try to keep the prices elevated again, and we can see a recovery again. Now look at 4-hour charts, almost double top levels, lower highs, trying to show a pullback. It can stretch, and it can stretch possibly 2460, 50 zone is going to be till 2440. Very good support, I will say, and hence you can sell here at 2470 levels today. Below 2470 you can expect 2450, 2440 levels as the greatest support. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. And on the daily charts, now look at daily. See, on the daily charts, double top is done. Looking forward to a slight pullback, but this is going to be a slight pullback, not a complete reversal here. It is. I am not expecting it to give a complete reversal and complete, you can say, engulfing candle. But these are also this is also possible. These are markets. Anything and everything is possible. However, I expect it to, at most, even if it tries to continue with the drop, 2460, 50 levels are going to come to the rescue. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. Considering this, you can sell at 2470, but then expect that 24, 50, 40 are going to be the maximum support levels, and then 24, 10, 20 zone. Very, very good support there. Only below 24, 10, 20, you can say that it is going to trade bearishly. This may completely engulf this candle, and then we can say the bear trend may resume. And on the upside, yes, any move about $25, just stay long. 25.20, 25.50, and then $26 levels will get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day again.